Hey guys, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting the both of you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the left side of your 4 drawers, and on the bottom we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out that will fully extend. You have full clearance to pick everything up, and then above it we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out. And then we will go to the next, keep the center post. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a tray bin. And it will have 3 dividers, 4 sections. You can stand up your cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, whatever you need. And then above it, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out that will fully extend. Then we'll walk over to your sink area. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out, and we'll go as far back as we can, but you have some pipes back here, so this will be a little bit shorter. And then we'll go ahead and do this independent riser that we talked about, that you can store your SOS pads, your gloves, your pods, whatever you need, and that will fully extend as well. And then we'll look at the island area, and we'll keep that center post since it's a larger cabinet, and we'll do a 2.5 inch on the bottom, a 2.5 inch height glide out on the top, and then a 2.5 and a 2.5. So you're going to gain a lot of space in this big cabinet as well as this cabinet over here. Okay. So I priced out the classic, which is a lifetime warranty, as well as the basic grade. All of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. And if you have any questions, feel free to call. And I look forward to working with you guys. 770-380-2499. And I hope everything worked out with your oven. And take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.